should one be really keeping that stash of cash away, save it for November 6 for applying for that IPO of Swiggy, or should one continue to invest in Zomato with that same money right now? What will be better?
So I think if you look at Zomato's valuations, I think they've come off by anywhere about 15 to 17% over the last 2 3 months from highs. So Zomato also is kind of attractive at these kind of valuations, and I think if at all peg Zomato's valuations today at about 25 26 billion dollars as per current market cap, Swiggy is coming at a 50% discount versus Zomato clearly, and basis 2 3 reasons. Swiggy does not have hyper pure business. Swiggy obviously will command a discount in terms of valuation multiple, and Swiggy lacks the scale, versus Zomato on the food and quick commerce business. So I think putting everything into perspective, you do see a situation wherein Swiggy potentially could be at a valuation, absolute valuation at a 65% discount versus a Zomato. So from that standpoint, Zomato does appear to be attractive right now, primarily because of historical track record that they have over the last 7 8 quarters, and being market leaders in both the segments. So even if market kind of becomes very competitive or highly fragmented, you will see larger leaders seeing a lesser negative impact as compared to the other players which are there, which are number two or number three. So I think from that standpoint, definitely Zomato appears to be more compelling as a story right now versus Swiggy, because Swiggy we don't know in terms of track record, we don't know in terms of how the numbers are going to move ahead. But I think as an investor, one should allocate, or rather one should go overweight on Zomato for now at these valuations, and maybe kind of also invest in some kind of allocation on Swiggy and give benefit of the doubt that they will also see a turnaround. Potentially you'll see metrics improving therein as well. But still, the skewed, or the the higher amount of overweight is going to come on Zomato now, versus Swiggy. But again, if you really want to play a delta, if you really want to have just by relying on one single company, you want to have two companies as a basket or a portfolio to kind of chase in terms of high growth, there has to be allocation on Swiggy as well, given the benefit of the doubt that they will execute better from here on.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.